dog on the street here. You gonna help find this loose dog? How come you're not neutered? Cause what?
Not happening.
Dog on the trail.
Dog had got out, and like I say, when he got out, he smelled the dogs down there at the police station. So a dog came on down there, to the police station. But he was running at the straight, and the dog is a feral. You know what I'm saying? But when the dog seen us, the dog just freaked out and started running. I just didn't want to see a dog get hit by a car. So, I just eased my way and tried to chase him down. And the dog had assisted up to go back home. And, when he went back home, I seen him trying to get in the gate. And I just figured, hey, that's his house. Because the dog knew where he lived at. You know what I'm saying? Even though he was a feral, you know what I'm saying? But he still had common sense to know where he lived at. And I took the dog home, opened up the gate, good thing somebody was there.
Full of stray dogs around here. No, he says ain't nothing but stray dogs around here.
And he attacked me.
No, he didn't. You attacked him.
Dog man. He's right there around the corner. I know that. Yeah. Hey, this is another dog that smells. Hello. It's your dog? Hey, we doing the free clinic around the corner for shots and everything. Your dog came over to the clinic because he wanted to get fixed. You want to have this dog licensed and fixed?
That's my son.
Is he here?
That's my son.
Is your son here?
Yeah.
Can you tell him to come?
I don't know. Let's see.
Your son, is he here?
He's
Sleeping?
Yeah.
Can you get him up? Can you wake him up?
I'll just...
Yeah.
Because he need to get this dog shots and fixed.
Somebody else.
But it's free. It's free.
Everything is free. It's free. The shots and everything. Why not? The shots free.
Vaccinations.
Vaccinate, what's that? Is that tunas? out. Close the gates. Okay. Hey, the dog, it's all right. The dog, he comes to the clinic. He wants to get fixed. So if you can wake your son up, tell him to come get all the shots, everything for free. Okay?
Yeah.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Well, hey, that's another dog. This dog we're right here on 77th Street Division. We're doing a free clinic around the corner. You see the dog, he volunteered to come over to the clinic on his own. He was a pit bull. We had another dog earlier that smelled the clinic going on. They wanted to come. But you know what? It's not the dog. It's the people who own the dog. They still sleep, and the dog is still up. The dog came to the clinic on his own.